this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to do a tutorial for this coffee mug die. So this die is designed by Nicole, and I will show you the die set. So you have this base die to make the base of your coffee mug, and then you also have this layering piece to make to cut the pattern paper, and then you need to cut this part. Just take these two pieces out to cut the base, and you need to cut 6 times. And then these parts is to make this handle. So this is the part to make the base part, and then use this part to connect both handles to just glue it. And then these two parts is to cut the pattern paper. So this is how this die works, and let's start. So I have cut all these parts out. So 6 pieces of this, and also 6 pieces of the pattern paper, and for this small corner is also 6 pieces. So first we glue this pattern paper here. And then so it's like this, and then we finish the left 5 pieces. Now these parts are ready, and let's glue it to the bottom piece. So this is the bottom piece, and you need to glue it here. So it's like this. And then I glued all the pieces here first. And these parts are ready, and stick it here so it can also make this bottom part more sturdy. You can use black as the bottom part, so it's just your choice to use pattern paper or just black plain cardstock. And now to glue this part here, so it will fold like this. And then when you fold it, you can hide this part, flap part here, so it will look like this. So just don't do it like this. It's make it like this. See, so you won't see the flap part on the top of the mug. So this one is finished. Then you do the same to the rest of this part, or is in this way, and glue the last part. So the main body part is ready, and let's do this part. So it cuts out like this, and you need to fold it so it will look like this, and then glue this part here. So these two parts will be more sturdy. And then glue these here. And then glue this part here. So now this coffee mug is ready. So yeah, this is not hard to do, right? And just choose the pattern paper you want to decorate your coffee mug. And then you can put goodies inside. and the space is quite large that you can put many things inside. So this is the tutorial today, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching today and have a nice day. Bye bye.